Okay guys, Anton Creel here from the Institute of Trading and Portfolio Management with a quick announcement today. We have a very cool webinar coming up this Sunday, November 13th at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Sunday, November 13th at 10 p.m. Eastern. The webinar is called How to Make a Killing in a Bear Market Rally. And it's with myself, Anton Creel, and Senior Trading Mentor at ITPM, Ben Berg-Green. So if you want to know all the details and you want to register a ticket, just click on the link below the video. All the details are there if you just follow the link. Now, what's this webinar all about? Well, in October, we saw a very painful bear market rally, a squeeze of around 10% in the market, and a lot of people got caught out being way too short and way too bearish. And it was both retail traders and hedge funds as well. Now, the squeeze has abated somewhat, a little bit, but what became very apparent during that bear market rally in the last few weeks of October is that the rally itself, if it occurs again in the year end, so we get a rally into the year end, it's going to cause a lot of pain to market participants. So in this webinar, myself and Ben Berg-Green are going to show you how to set yourself up with very little money in your portfolio allocated to various hedges and directional bets to make sure you don't lose money at the minimum if the market squeezes into year end. Essentially, what we're going to show you are examples of very high ROI, return on investment option strategies that stand a very good chance of making considerable money in both November and December if we do get another bear market squeeze. Okay, so this webinar, guys, it's free. You can click on the link below the video. It's open to all retail traders globally. We are opening the floodgates on this one, guys. So regardless of whether you're a first timer at ITPM or you are ITPM alumni, every retail trader globally is allowed to attend this webinar. So if you want to see examples of how real pro traders actually do things during a bear market rally. So when we have a bear market rally, if you want to see how we do things, click on the link below the video. Get yourself a ticket and get yourself to the webinar. Remember, it's this Sunday, November 13th in the evening at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Click the link below the video, guys. You won't regret it. Ben and I will see you there on Sunday.